Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth device not working in your computer. Okay? Today we will undergo three solutions, and the first one is you need to press Windows and R key together. Okay? Or you can simply go for this Windows icon, do a right click and go for run. So once you open this new window, please type services.msc. Then click OK to proceed. And once you are being redirected to this new window, just press anywhere in this name so that it will be in alphabetical order. And then it will shows here two or three options in the Bluetooth. Okay? Here, we need to manually set this automatic one by one. Okay, let's go to the first one, which is Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service. Just click that to mark blue and do a right click and go to Properties and make sure that here in the startup type it is automatic and then apply and OK. After that, proceed to the second option, which is Bluetooth Support Service, and do the same. Go to Properties and make sure that this is automatic, then apply and then OK. And same as this third one, do the same. Here, Bluetooth User Support Service, right click Properties and make it automatic. Apply and then OK. Okay, so once done, you need to close this and restart your computer and check if your Bluetooth is working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then you need to check the Bluetooth key of your keyboard. And I mean, there are some laptops who have Bluetooth key in their keyboard. Make sure to press that to make it on. Okay? And the third, let's say if the second step and the first one still not working for you, then let's proceed to the third step, which is to search for Troubleshoot here at the bottom search bar. Let's type Troubleshoot. And then click on Open. And once you are being redirected to the Troubleshoot settings, go for Other Troubleshooters. And then here, you need to find Bluetooth and aligning this, click on Run. Okay? So the moment you click on Run, it will begin to undergo troubleshoot in your Bluetooth. Okay, just make sure that you are connected. Okay, so once done, just have to restart your computer and see if it's the Bluetooth is working again. So those are the three easy steps on how to fix Bluetooth not working in your device. If you think this video helps you, just click on subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.